Students, today we are going to learn the sound of A. This is the second vowel sound A. So before that, we are going to recall the previous chapter, the sound of A. See here, sound of A. Starting sound is Ba, middle sound A, ending sound T. Ba, A, T, bat. Today we are going to learn the next vowel sound, which is A. The difference between A and this is it has a slight difference. You have to say A bit longer, A, and this A, it's short A. So let's move on to the lesson. What is the starting sound? H. And the ending sound? N. And the middle sound is A. Let's read together. H, A, N. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. Starting sound P. And the ending sound N. Middle sound A. P, A, N. Pen. P, A, N. Pen. Take your time. Find out the starting sound and middle sound and then ending sound. Then read all together. This is the way to read the three-letter words. Next. N, A, T. Net. J, A, T. Jet. J, A, T. Jet. This is B, A, D. B, A, D. Bed. T, A, N. Ten. L, A, G. Leg. R, A, D. R, A, D. Red. W, A, B. Web. So, now we have studied three-letter words with the vowel sound A. And here we have more words to read with the vowel sound A. Here, the last and the middle alphabets are same. A, D, ad. And in this part, the second and the third alphabets are same. A, G, ug. A, D, id. A, G, ug. So it is easy to learn in this way. B, ug, beg. L, ug, leg. P, ug, peg. And look at here. Here too, except the starting letter, the remaining letters are same. A, L. Here we have double L. 2L. We are pronouncing that L. A, L. 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 So, B, L. T, L. Tell. S, L. Sell. W, L. Well. Similarly here. H, H. The last two letters are same all here. H, H. Let's try. P, H, pet. S, H, set. et, met. J et, jet. B et, bet. W et, wet. N et, net. L et, let. G et, get. So here, except the starting letter, the remaining letters are same. The second letter is A, S. So we used to say is, A is, le is, less, m is, mess. And here, a, n. So here we go. T in ten, d in den, m in men, p in pen, h in hen. So here too, a m, h hem, a b ab, v a b web. Thank you.